I hope you guys are seeing this, bro. Literally drag the clamp back onto the hose itself. This hose is doing nothing but stubborn. Be nice. Yeah, man. Be nice. I got it. Right, so basically, how we're gonna have to get this is we're gonna have to reach all the way back here with our hands, right? And we're gonna have to get the clamp.
He said, "Hey, give me the uniform, bro."
That's how you get better.
Give me my uniform, man. I'm not doing delivery no more. Get another guy, bro. Yeah, tell him.
It's like, oh,
Hey, big game.
it's like, oh, you think I'm gonna?
Yeah, but tell him I'm gonna love it up, bro. Yeah. Because this is all about watching people doing. So after that, it's in your brain.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. You just gotta watch. Like to watch. Like you watch Jermaine, you good. You're the next master tech.
First
Nigga,
came out.
next time I'm taking the cab off, bro. Swear. Nah.
As crazy as it sounds, yeah.
Yeah, I am, bro.
Yeah. But I ain't doing it without. See, you're just crazy. I'm not doing the job if I'm not claiming the front cover with it.
Clean.
Nigga, you're paying me.
All right, boom, right there.